Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. As you can see, the Tundra right back there is up on the lift, and that means we're going to do something, and we are. Down here on the floor next to me is, are some parts that I got to replace the exhaust on the Tundra. What I'm doing is replacing the OEM, the single exhaust, with a dual exhaust, a TRD dual exhaust. From Sparks Parts. By the way, if you're looking for parts, check those guys out, sparksparts.com, and don't forget to use discount code RobMotive for 5% off your order. So I'm going to turn you guys down here. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. I'm going to show you what all comes with this kit. Make sure that I have everything. I haven't opened it yet. And then in the next couple days or so, we're going to do the actual install to keep this video somewhat short. I'm not going to combine it all together because if I did, it would be very long. The install itself is probably going to be a longer video anyway because I want to do it in detail. But let me turn you guys over and show you what I've got here. Okay, here we go. Got a couple tools with me. Screwdriver, knife, carpet knife, you know, you need that. So we do have staples in here, so we got to pull all these staples out of here. Actually, I'm just going to rip the box open. To heck with this. Gotta cut some tape though. Yeah, much easier. If you want to do it easily, brute force is the way to go. Actually, that didn't take much brute force. So, let's see what we've got in here. Make sure nothing's damaged. That would suck. So far, so good. First appearance. And I do have a parts list here that hopefully, oops, get you guys around a little more. Hopefully everything is in here. So I'm not sure what's what, but you notice it does have pictures. So we're going to go with that. Right on top, this first section over here, the mufflers, looks to me like we're gold in there, so we're going to take that out, set it aside. And it only weighs about 3 tons. So let's set that, set it over here. Want to be careful I don't scratch anything. You can see it's waiting over here for install. Let's see what we have next. Next, some of this. Oh, we have probably a heat shield. Let's see what this is. A heat shield and parts. So, looks like we have the hanger assembly that we're going to need, and then a couple of gaskets. That's cool. So it looks like they gave us some new gaskets, which I like. It is. This is the gasket kit. Pretty neat. And these are, just to get the names right, the hardware kit for the Tundra exhaust. This is going to be the new hanger, so we'll set this aside. And then the heat shield, which came through shipping quite well. Looks pretty good. Gonna need that. Don't need that anymore. Let's see. Looks like more paper. And how about one of the, let's see, exhaust pipes. They're all folded around down in here. Now, they do have this protected. It is supposed to be a black tip, and it does look indeed like it is a black tip. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see. Careful not to cut the tip itself. Oh yeah, wow. Look at that. Wow, check that out. Nice shiny black tip. Let's see if we can zoom you in a little. Check that out. That should look awesome on my Tundra. Look at that. Wow. Very nice. I'm going to put this back on so I don't ruin it. Okay, I'll set this aside. Actually, I think I'll set this back here on some paper so we don't scratch anything. There we go. Point you guys back up here so you can actually see what's going on. Let's see here. So I set that over there again to kind of protect it. It's on some paper. And then last, and I want to make sure I don't miss anything in the paper here. Doesn't look like it. Nope, and that's the other piece of the pipe. So, going back to our parts list here, we have, get you up here so you can see, we have the muffler section here. We have the 2 pipes, the heat shield, and the 2 packets of parts. And that should be it. Now, if you want to see what this is, let's see, there are the part numbers for this exhaust. A little bit of the description there for you, so you can see what that looks like. Pretty cool. So it looks like we have everything here. That's awesome. Nothing worse than getting new parts and stuff and you don't have everything you need, right? So I'm going to push this stuff over to the left or your right, one way or the other, and then we're going to see about taking the exhaust and stuff off of here. Like I said, in the interest of keeping this video somewhat short, I can tell you the install is probably going to be a fairly long video because I am going to be detailed in it. I am going to follow the directions step by step to show you guys. This is another instance where I looked for videos on the web to show how to do this, and man, I didn't see anything that was very detailed anyway. You know, when I do stuff like this, I like details so I don't run into unanticipated issues, you know. So anyway, that's the unboxing of the next mod for the Tundra up there. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please stay tuned. If you want to see the install, that'll be coming up, like I said, within the next couple days or so. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget, if you're looking for parts, check out sparksparts.com. Use discount code RobMotive for 5% off. That's where these parts came from, was Sparks Parts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.